What you eating? Huh? What are you eating? A grape. That's right. Good boy. Yum. Uh-huh. Yeah, do you want another one? A little more? I'm going to show you Uncle Michael this one. Um. Is that yummy? Huh? You want more? You haven't finished that yet. Great. Huh? Hmm? No, no cheesy puffs. Come here. Good boy.